We'll start by creating custom districts for our county regions by using the targeting page. Select the precincts for the first region by holding the Control key down on Windows, or the Command key down on Macs, and clicking on each precinct. Once all precincts are selected, click the Save as Custom District link and enter a name for the region, then hit Save. You'll see the region now appears as a selectable option under the Custom Districts section. Repeat this process for creating each region. Now we need to create some groups so we can track the prospects who volunteer to be a captain. Do this by first creating a main volunteer group, and then groups for each volunteer activity we want to track. We'll do precinct captain, neighborhood captain, and maybe a few others in case we have prospects that want to volunteer for something other than being a captain. Now we'll use the walk canvassing feature to create prospect lists of potential precinct captains and neighborhood captains for each region. Do this by going back to targeting, expanding custom districts, and select the region we are creating the prospect list for. You can see only the precincts in the region are listed. Click Next Page. Now we enter the criteria to narrow the voters to those we think are the best prospects for precinct neighborhood captains. In this example, we're going after 4 of the last 4 primary Republicans, but you may have other criteria you wish to use, or you can use any groups you have populated to better filter prospects. On the Output page, we'll click Show Options for the Walk Canvassing section, then select Save Into and Create New List and Run Report. This shows us how many records it has added to our new walk target, and then takes us to the Properties page. We'll name this target Prospects Region 1, and add a description of the criteria used for future reference. We need to pick the groups we want displayed in the Walk app so users can easily add volunteers to the group. If we print packets, we need to change the markings used in the printed packet to identify the groups. Now click Save, and then click Walk Targets to see the list of walk targets. This page shows us the progress of contacting the prospects. We can also output the prospects by clicking on the total for any column, then clicking Output. Now we need to set the region captain up to access webElect and the mobile app so they can access the region walk target and begin contacting the prospects. Do this by returning to the main menu and clicking Users and verifying they are not already listed. Then click Add New. Type their name, choose Level 5 for permission, and enter their email address in Step 5. Double check their email address is spelled correctly, then hit Save. An email will be sent to the user with instructions for logging into the website in the mobile app. You will need to communicate to the region captain the responsibility for accessing their walk target you've created for them. The region captain can work through their list of prospects using the website to make phone calls or the mobile app to walk door to door.